How to unlink Instagram accounts. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can unlink linked Instagram accounts on Instagram app. Instagram has brought out a feature where you can allow cross-platform login and multi-account login on Instagram or through Instagram. Now how do you unlink those accounts? Now to do so, open up the Instagram app and head on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and here tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen. Once here, head into settings, and if you scroll all the way down below, you'll find the option Account Center. And now, even down there, you'll find the option Logins, where you can add or switch accounts. The first, what you want to do is head into Account Center, and here you can see logging in with accounts. And here you can allow all accounts to log into each other, and simply you can disable it if you don't want to link your accounts. And here you can see saving across profile options, where you can link your Instagram and Facebook. This doesn't have anything to do with us, but just in case. And if you head into logins, you can find the option add or switch accounts. You can see I've added 2 accounts here. First, what you want to do is log out of all accounts and then tap on the settings icon on the top of your screen, and here tap on the profile, and here you can remove the profile. So this way you can remove multi-account login on Instagram. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.